wild children and tame animals. You ready for some crazy shit, man? Hey. Yeah. God. I remember on my driving exam this year, it happened like 3 times. I forgot to put my kickstand up, and I put the bike in gear and I stalled, and it was pretty embarrassing, to be honest. Luckily the instructor didn't see me, but you know, I completed the I passed the exam, so whatever, you know, it's all good. It's all good. We all good in the hood, man. You ready for some crazy shit, man? Hey. Yeah. I'm so crazy, man. Let's do it again. Let's go like this.
Yeah. You think those are gonna stop me?
They won't. Nothing can stop me, except for like a wall in front of me. If I were to go into that wall, I think the wall would come out on top. Unless I do some like Spider-Man kind of stuff and jump off the bike and do a front flip and land on the wall. That would be pretty sick. But unfortunately, I don't know how to do that. You have to go really slow here, unless you're a madman, of course. There was a sign there that said "Go slow, wild children and tame animals," and then I couldn't see anything anymore. But it said that, so that's pretty funny, I guess. Some humor never hurts. This speed bump, I hate it. It's the worst speed bump in the world. When I'm going slow, the temperature isn't that much of a problem. Like this is pretty manageable. But when I go a little bit faster, that's when the cold gets to you. So maybe I should just go like slow the rest of the ride. I could do that, but that's pretty boring. So I'm not gonna do that, and I'm gonna pay the price. Those are the options you have. Have fun and be cold, or be warm but be bored as well. And I'd rather have fun, even though I'm gonna freeze. But people are looking at me like I'm some crazy guy for riding in the ending of October. Now this is what I call beautiful, the ocean. Hey, what's that guy doing? Let's do the same. Hey. That's what I love about this community. That was funny. That guy passed the vibe check, no doubt. No doubt. He was a great guy. 2 Teslas, man. They had 2 Teslas. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. As usual, I'm just saying random stuff. Another Tesla. Damn, there are a lot of Teslas in this part of Skåne. I haven't counted it, but it's definitely more than 3. No doubt. Oh no, you can go. You can also go with your dog. And then accelerate slowly so you don't scare the dogs. That's the most important thing to have in mind. Dogs can be easily startled. And you don't want that, because then they're gonna bark and they might get aggressive. And then the owner's gonna hate you, and you know, it's just an evil spiral. Because it always ends with you, like being kidnapped or something. So be careful. Not saying dog people are bad people, because I have a dog, but it always ends up with you being kidnapped. Don't ask me how it gets to that stage, but that's always what it ends with. Another dog came from nowhere. Where do all these dogs come from? Heaven? It must be. Let's see where I should go now. I should go this way.